Good morning. Let's talk about stevia by way of a definition. Just looking at our first page here, you can see that there are a number of examples of the stevia plant. The upper left shows you it in flower. To the right, we see a bigger bush picture. And to the bottom left, we see some of the leaves all ground up, which is called sweet leaf. Stevia itself is very, very, very sweet. In its extracted form, that is to say, in a concentrated form, it is 300 times sweeter than your white, refined, granulated table sugar. Some claim that it's even sweeter than that. But nonetheless, this alone makes it a very, very good candidate for the replacement of sugar. Let's look at some of the benefits. First, from the negative side, there are many. Stevia possesses none of the negatives that we're going to discuss here for the next couple of minutes. Sugar has 146 problems, or out-and-out negative reasons for not using it. Several of these are direct ties to cancers of various types. Sugar feeds cancers. We're talking related table sugar. Aspartame has a documented history of causing problems. Same thing with sucralose or Splenda. You can Google any of these subjects online and you'll be inundated with quite a number of papers and studies that document these facts. The point is, they are not good for our health. We should not be using them, and hopefully, by purposes of we'll be able to get this information out to the American public. Let's look at some of the positive sides of stevia. In its pure, unmixed, uncut, undiluted, unpolluted form, the benefits of stevia include no carbohydrates, no calories. Those 2 points alone make it an excellent sweetener to be used by people dieting and trying to lose weight. Those of you who have heart disease, you need to lose weight. Those of you who have diabetes, you need to lose weight. Here's a way to do it and still be able to satisfy your sweet tooth as well. It is 300 times sweeter than sugar, as we've mentioned. There are no artificial flavors, there are no artificial colors. In a number of studies over the past 20 to 30 years, artificial flavors and artificial colors have time and time again been attacked as causing negative impact on children, ADD, ADHD, so on and so forth. Again, investigate it. You'll discover that what we say is correct. Stevia has a 400-year history of use. It was introduced by the natives of South America, particularly around Paraguay, to the conquistadores from Spain. They used it to sweeten their tea, a very bitter tea, I understand, called mate. And it has come forward to us since that time. Another point to take into account is that the Japanese, not known for being stupid people, quite the contrary, have used stevia for more than 40 years. They brought it into their country to counteract what they saw as artificial sweeteners that were cancer-causing. And as I say, it's been there for 40 years. It's used in most everything over there. This is a brief summary of what stevia is, how it can be used, its negatives, and its benefits. The negatives, 0. The benefits, quite substantial. While I dearly love you to use my product, which is known as Jaja Stevia, and you can Google that as well, my bigger interest is that you think stevia instead of sugar. You think stevia instead of aspartame. You think sugar, stevia, instead of Splenda or sucralose. Let's clean up our health if we can. That's the purpose of this video. Thanks so much. So long.